So this is the unboxing of the digital ultrasonic cleaner in stainless steel. Its brand name is Yasun. Model is YX 2008. So we're gonna open the box. Here we go. First thing we're gonna find is the instruction manual, which is written in both Chinese and English. So if you don't speak one of those languages, this thing is gonna be useless. Next thing we're gonna find is the cap of the cleaner itself. It is packaged in a bag. Then it's the cleaner. You can see it's also in a bag. And then it's the power cord. And that's it.